Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have two stories to go over, but before we do that, I got two other things to say. First off, iOS 12 public beta. I want to give you guys a quick update on it. So far, it's really good. One bug I've noticed is if you turn on an alarm and you only have it, go off once and you turn it off, the alarm icon in the top will still be there even if the alarm's off. So you gotta re-enable the alarm and turn it off. I just noticed that. And the other things I've noticed, phone calls hang up quicker, and they also seem to call a little bit quicker, and a lot of little things like that seem to be a little bit snappier, so that's cool. All right, on to the next thing, merchandise. So if you guys don't know, YouTube actually is rolling out a new feature for those of us that have over 10,000 subscribers, or over 18, and something else, I don't know. I hit all the criteria, and we can actually put a merch bar under our videos. I don't currently have any for iTouch App Reviewers, but I have dabbled in design for some t-shirts in the past for like a different brand. So I've been thinking of just creating some cool designs to put in the merch bar. It hasn't actually rolled out to me yet, but I think it will pretty soon. And even if it doesn't, I can still link to the store just to kind of see what you guys think of the designs. If you guys have any designs that you want to see on a shirt, feel free to send me an email. It's on the About page on my YouTube channel. You guys can get the email from there. Feel free to hit me up, but I'm gonna have some of my own designs up there, and hopefully you guys enjoy them. We'll see what happens with that. All right, on to the actual story. So I had to get that out of the way. So Nikki Asian Review dubiously says AirPods charging case will soon be able to wirelessly charge an iPhone. So this is ridiculous, and it's got to be something lost in translation from Chinese to English, or someone's just straight up trolling. But basically, here's what they said. Users of iPhones will soon be able to wirelessly charge their handsets using the charging case for Apple's popular AirPods wireless earphones, according to an industry source familiar with the plan. That's complete bullshit because these do not hold much of a charge at all, and there's no way it's going to be able to even put any power into an iPhone 10. So this is pretty much ridiculous. You guys, there's almost a 0% chance of this happening, but the report adds the development would add to Apple's much anticipated AirPower wireless charging mat unveiled last year and due out soon, bringing chief designer Johnny Ives' call in 2016 for a truly wireless future a step closer. Apple has previously said it is working on a wireless charging case for AirPods that could also be topped up with the AirPower pad, though it gave no further details. Personally, what I think they meant was in the future or soon, right here they said soon, you will be able to wirelessly charge your iPhone and your AirPods wirelessly charging on a wireless charger, the AirPower wireless charger. So I know it's kind of confusing, but basically they're just saying you're going to be able to have this. I think they're just trying to say that these two things are coming soon, the wireless AirPods and then the AirPower. I think that's what they're trying to say. It's very hard to tell. And I know stuff gets lost in translation all the time between different languages. So I think that's kind of what happened here with Chinese and English. Either that or someone's just completely messing with us. Let's see if my comment got upvoted. Nope, guess not today. But it's just really weird because you can see the battery for the current case has a capacity of almost 400 milliamp hours, roughly 14% of the iPhone X's battery. So pretty much not useful at all. Maybe they meant that you can charge this case from your phone in the future. That would be kind of cool, but also kind of useless. So we'll have to see what that means. This might just be nothing, but I wanted to let you guys know. All right, next up, Ming-Chi Kuo. He is detailing the 2018, 2019 iPhones. He expects a cheaper MacBook Air, but I don't really think anyone wants that. Face ID iPads, larger screen, Apple Watches later this year. So I'm going to run through this really quickly. I know I'm speaking quickly, but I don't want this video to be long, and it's pretty late and I got to get this video up. So the 2019 iPhones will have marked innovation. So they're going to be newer, updated, and they're going to be better than this year's. Obviously, we knew that. I've been saying that literally since last year, but we won't know until September, October of this year at the earliest, or until the exact designs become clear. So we don't really know much, but it's going to be big. He thinks that the LCD models will outpace the OLED models. Yes, we are pretty sure of that. He's not sure about the triple lens rear cameras. Personally, I'm not either anymore. I'm kind of thinking they might not happen this year. But yeah, second half of 2018, he expects the release of new iPad models equipped with Face ID, a new lower price MacBook Air, and a new Apple Watch models equipped with larger displays. That's kind of interesting. If I pull that open real quick, so here's the redesign, longer battery life and 15% larger display. That could be kind of interesting, but I'm afraid that might be a little bit big. I think right now they're a little dorky as they are. Like they're not really fashionable, and just making them bigger might not help. So I don't know. It'll be cool to see what they do, but probably not something that's going to be too enticing for a lot of people. Next, 3 new iPhones in 2018, second gen iPhone 10, larger 6.5 inch, 10 Plus, a 6.1 inch budget iPhone 10. He thinks that the 6.1 inch iPhone will be available in stores in September, despite entering mass production later than the second gen iPhone 10 and 10 Plus. So they're all going to come at the same time and be announced and released in September of this year. So keep that in mind. They're not staggering the releases. They're going to be all available at once. He also thinks that the 6.1-inch iPhone will incentivize customers with older iPhones to upgrade due to it being equipped with similar features as the iPhone 10. And obviously it's going to look like an iPhone 10 and at a competitive price. $600 to $700 in the US. That's a pretty damn good deal for an iPhone that's brand freaking new. The trade war between the United States and China that's going on right now, they don't think it's going to directly impact anything, but he thinks maybe Chinese consumers will not want to buy an Apple product because, you know, they're anti-American right now. So whatever, who really cares? Not really something that's going to affect us as consumers, just, you know, Trump and Tim Cook. Anyways, Ko on how Apple can grow under fiercer competition. Basically, they think that because there hasn't been much design change since iPhone 6, Apple just has to step up their game, which I think they're doing this year. And on innovation, he says that they're leading the industry, and that's pretty evident right now with Face ID and everything like that, and everyone's copying Apple. So you know Apple's doing something right. So I just wanted to give you this quick recap, guys. It's pretty interesting, and I'm really looking forward to seeing something about MacBook Pros, because that, if you guys weren't paying attention, was not included in this, and that kind of makes me a little bit sad. I really hope we see a MacBook Pro refresh this year, and I really hope it's good, because I think a lot of people are looking to upgrade, and people were just disappointed with the 2016s and 2017 models. So we'll have to see what happens, guys. Hopefully this video isn't too long. It's going to take me a while to edit, but hopefully you enjoyed. I will keep you guys up to date with all the news, rumors, and everything Apple related. So hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, hit the thumbs up button. Why the hell not? Drop a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.